So welcome back guys to my new video. In from this video I'm going to create a new series for you all so that you all can learn the Python very easy in a very easy way. Yes, I'm going to make you learn Python in a easy way by holding your hand like that. If you don't know anything of Python, you will get it like a pro. So, watch this video till end and please support me so that I can create more videos of like this for you so that you can learn the things in a very easy way. So, let's start the video after an short intro. Okay, this is our first video of our Python. Yes, you know. So, what is Python? It is a coding language that is from my side is very useful because you can do much things with this language. Yes, and this is our learning playlist. I'm going to add files over here. This is our day one and there is nothing. Yes, because in this is only talking part. If second video is uploaded, if you're not watching this video till 1 to 2 day of this uploading date, you must see another video and go and watch it. For just one thing, I'm not going to add anything in write in anything in a Python file, but I'm going to tell you some things in Python. What are that? Python is a programming language, and Python is like our desktop, our OS, like our Windows OS. Our Windows OS provide some things to us. Like what does Windows provide to us? File managing software. It do provide that. Anything else? A software thing to control other apps and the softwares. Yes, but Python is same like that. Python is nothing alone. Python is just nothing if we use it alone. But if we use it like with Python other friends, and who are those? Libraries. Yes, libraries, like there are multiple libraries, a lot libraries that a person can't learn that libraries. And if you go online and search for the libraries documentation, you can get a much more information about that. Like in Windows some things are already we already got. Okay, but same like that in Python we already got some things. Like in Python we need to print the output. Okay, you can see it's printing the output, these things. And if I write, it has import. What is import command and what is what I write OS, I'm going to explain you in future videos. You just do what, remove all the things from your mind. And in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python. Firstly, you go to the MS Store, because Python installation is the most important thing for writing the Python. Python 10, hit enter. Now you will see Python different versions. I recommend you to download the latest version. Just go over here and then click download over here. I have already downloaded. You get a terminal, Python terminal that I use now. You get this IDE, Python IDE, and this Python in command prompt. Yes, these two things. and you will also get Python id idle Python. Yes, if you open this file, new file, then you will get this file. There are two. These used for executing things and for single line command like in command prompt, but we can write multiple lines over here, and then when we do save and run it, we get the output over here. But not going to write the Python code in this video. We will write the Python code in our future videos. Yes, our first program will be in the next video. You have installed Python, and you know what Python is, and you go to what libraries are. You also know how to import them in Python. I have written import statement that was useful. You got it now. You are a good. You are a good, nice student. Yes. So for this video, I'm going to do only explaining you all the things about what is Python and how to use that. You can create a calculator in Python. You can create a AI in Python. You can create a AI chatbot in Python by importing the models from online. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. You have seen, I think, my Jarvis playlist. If you haven't seen that, go and see it. You forget about learning Python. Yes, but then also, if you like, you can learn. Come here, learn. It's very free, and also click the subscribe button. It's much free than the Python course. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.